Welcome to OLevels Economics Unit 4, Production Possibility Curves. A production possibility curve, PPC, also called a production possibility frontier or boundary, represents the maximum possible output combinations of two goods or services an economy can produce, given its current resources and technology. For example, a country might produce either 200 capital goods or 300 consumer goods, or any combination in between. The PPC visually demonstrates the trade-offs an economy faces when allocating resources. Not all points on the PPC diagram mean the same thing. A point inside the curve, like point X, indicates unemployed or underutilized resources, inefficiency. Meanwhile, a point on the curve, like point Y, shows full resource employment and efficient output. But can an economy produce beyond the PPC? Number A point like Z outside the curve is currently unattainable. It would require more resources or better technology. A movement along the PPC demonstrates resource reallocation and opportunity cost. Suppose a country initially produces 80 manufactured goods and 75 agricultural goods. If it shifts resources to produce 100 agricultural goods, it must reduce manufactured output to 60 units. Here, the opportunity cost of 25 more agricultural goods is 20 fewer manufactured goods. This trade-off is central to economic decision-making. Why is the PPC typically bowed outward? Because resources are not equally efficient in all uses. Producing more of one good requires increasingly larger sacrifices of the other, increasing opportunity cost. For example, shifting from 60 to 80 manufactured goods may cost 25 agricultural goods, but increasing to 100 manufactured goods could cost 75 agricultural goods. However, if resources are equally adaptable, the PPC is a straight line reflecting constant opportunity cost, like trading two ties for one pair of socks at any output level. A PPC shifts outward when resources increase or improve, more labor, better technology, or enhanced capital. This represents potential economic growth. But if resources decline, say from a natural disaster, the PPC shifts inward, reducing productive capacity. Importantly, actual economic growth occurs when production moves toward the new frontier, utilizing these expanded resources effectively. So, what's the big takeaway? The PPC isn't just a graph, it's a powerful tool to visualize scarcity, efficiency, and growth. Whether you're analyzing a nation's economy or a business's production choices, mastering this concept is key. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more economics insights, and drop a comment below. What's one real-world example where you've seen opportunity cost in action? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.